channel and thank you so much for stopping by. So today I'm going to demonstrate this summer bridal look for you guys. So let's get into the video.
Since this is the summer bride, it's very essential to prep your skin first, and for that I'll be starting with my absolute favorite glow toner from My Glam. Then I will apply the glow brightening essence from My Glam. Then I will carry on with my moisturizer, which is also from My Glam. As a primer, today I'll be using this primer from My Glam. This will just blur out the uneven textures and fill the bigger pores. Next, I will be filling my brows in using the My Glam Lit eyebrow pencil in the shade Shook. Moving on to my foundation now. For my foundation today, I'll be using this one from K Beauty in the shade 130Y medium. I love this foundation because it gives an amazing dewy coverage, and this is also a full coverage foundation. It gives a very flawless finish. So let's get into it. For my concealer today, I'll be mixing two shades. One is from K Beauty and the shade name is 140Y medium, and the other one is from Swiss Beauty and the shade name is 04 medium beige. The reason behind this is the K Beauty one is my almost exact match, and the Swiss Beauty one is a little bit brighter, which will brighten up my under eyes and other high points of the face. After blending it out well using this beauty blender from Color Bar, I'll be setting this conceal area quickly using the compact from My Glam. So for my eyes, I'll pick up this Manish Malhotra palette and I'll take this nude beige kind of color to create the crease. So I'll just pick up this shimmer and I'll apply it very light-handedly all over the lid. Once I'm done with that, I'll draw a line very roughly using this kajal from My Glam, and then I will smoke out the wing using this angular brush. Then I'll take this shimmer shade, which is a very dark green kind of shimmer, and I will further smoke out the kajal line, and gradually I'll draw a wing dragging it outward. Here you can see I'm applying the brown in the lower lash line to make everything look balanced, and then I'll just use the kajal pencil over both the waterlines to make my eyes look bigger.